Hey, Body Mafia. So, I'm trying to build a better relationship with food. My little mukbangs ain't gonna be fried chicken, french fries, the good mukbangs. I got a little grilled chicken, tomatoes, salad, iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, and a little ranch. I don't know, I'm trying to build a better relationship with food. In this journey of growing Bodyology US, I'm learning that my relationship with food is horrible. And a lot of the things that I eat is emotional and for satisfaction. You know what I'm saying? And now exercising, trying to eat better, I'm learning that we've been taught to like love food and to have food feel our emotions, and if we're having a bad day, go get you something to eat, go get you a snack, when really truly we're supposed to use food as fuel for our bodies to work. That makes sense. So I'm trying to figure this journey out without depriving myself, but still making sure that I'm getting what I need, especially at my age. And it's not easy because half my life I've been taught one thing about food. And now doing research and taking classes and educating myself, I'm learning that that shit was so wrong. I mean, of course, people can only teach you what they know. But when you start learning more, you're like, okay, I got to change my old habits. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to, at this big old age, unlearn some bad habits to learn better habits for my body. It's not it's not easy. It's not fun. Sitting here eating this bowl, I'm thinking about a Popeyes 2-piece spicy fries and a biscuit and an Arnold Palmer. But I know that is not what I need to lose weight. So here we are. Here we are.